Hi, I'm Kevin O'Flaherty. I hope you enjoyed this Learn About Law video and podcast presented by O'Flaherty Law. If you need some help, please feel free to give us a call at 563-503-6910. That's 563-503-6910. We offer free consultations in many areas of law, and we have several geographic locations for your convenience. Thanks again for watching and listening.
Hi, this is Andrew with Learn About Law, and in this video, I'm going to talk about the 7 clauses of particular importance when reviewing an Iowa real estate contract. This list is by no means exhaustive, and every real estate transaction is going to be different, right? So first we've got the description and purchase price. So these items may sound self-explanatory, but it's important to note under description, anything other than the address of the house you're buying or property. Also, you want to make sure what is legally described in the title document matches up with the contract. Under purchase price, you'll have the agreed upon purchase price, and this may be different from the original after negotiations, and the amount of earnest money that will be deposited upon agreement of the contract. The earnest money is the buyer's way of showing that they are serious about the decision to purchase the property and to give the seller some protection should the buyers get cold feet and try to terminate the contract outside of any contingencies on the contract. This section also lists whether or not the purchase of the property is contingent on the sale of the buyer's house and the method of payment for the property, usually a mortgage or cash or some combination of that, right? So second, we've got real estate taxes and special assessment. Normally, the sellers must pay the real estate taxes attributed to the property for the year it was sold in, prorated to the date of the closing. So if you sell your house in April, you'll be paying less real estate taxes than if you sold your house in August. However, be sure to check the contract, as sometimes there is the option for the seller to pay no taxes on the house during the transaction and instead transfer that burden to the buyer. Third is going to be the special assessment, which is a stipulation in the contract that is normally standard across all contracts and discusses items such as liens against the property and other bills for the maintenance on the house. So the critical importance here is liens against the property. It should always be required that the seller satisfy a lien against the property before the sale, or have legally worked out how the proceeds from the sale will satisfy any existing liens. Fourth, we've got time is of the essence clause, and then also the fixtures clause. It's important to note if time of the essence is indicated on a contract, because if certain deadlines are not met on the buyer's or seller's side, it could be considered a breach of contract and a reason for either party to back out without repercussions. The fixtures clause indicates anything other than walls, doors, windows, floors, etc. That are not part of the overall structure that would be included in the sale of the house. This may include items like window treatments, a pool table, a piece of furniture, something like that. The fifth is going to be the condition of the property clause. This clause may include a number of subclauses, all centered around the condition of the property. The primary condition of property clause explains that, unless specified otherwise, the property will be kept in its current state until possession by the buyers, and that all items will be in good working condition at the time of the possession. It also includes subclauses such as home warranties, home inspection, and response to inspection findings. All of these are going to be fairly standard and describe the legal terms around the home inspection and response and how much time is allowed for these things to take place. Sixth, we've got remedies of the parties clause. So this clause usually contains stipulations explaining what happens in the case that the buyers or sellers fail to perform their contractual obligations in a timely manner, and to what degree the opposite party can respond. In most cases, the contract will state that the opposite party can take up legal action at their discretion without limitation due to breach of contract or whatever reason. However, during negotiations, a party may ask for different wording in the modification report, such as the seller only receiving the buyer's earnest money as a form of remediation. Lastly, we have the residential property disclosure statement. Iowa law requires that the sellers to fill out a form disclosing the conditions of the various parts and systems of the house, such as HVAC, plumbing, previous water damage, etc., to the best of their knowledge. This protects the buyers from coming into a house and suddenly finding something that the sellers most likely knew about but didn't really disclose, and it wasn't found on the inspection report either. So for more information on real estate contracts, closings, and the real estate process in general, Check out our other articles and videos on Learn About Law. And as always, thank you for tuning in.
Hi, Kevin O'Flaherty again. Hope you enjoyed that presentation of Learn About Law presented by O'Flaherty Law. If you need some help, please give us a call, 563-503-6910, 563-503-6910. Again, we offer free consultations in many areas of law, and we have several geographic locations for your convenience. If you found this helpful, we'd love it if you'd subscribe to us on YouTube, SoundCloud, Apple Podcasts, or wherever you listen to your podcasts or watch your videos. Thank you so much for watching and listening.
Thanks so much for watching our video. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Click the subscribe button for new videos every week, and download and review us on iTunes. Visit learn-about-law.com for other legal-related articles and videos. Visit our business podcast and video blog, seizeyourbusiness.com, and visit Making Real Estate Fun for real estate videos and podcasts. Call us at 630-324-6666 for a free consultation.